In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle in which segments AP and AQ are drawn as shown. See, this is AP, this is AQ. Then the length of AP plus AQ is, see here, this AP plus AQ. These angles are 30, 30, okay, and 90, 60. Okay, quite easy one. So sine APB equals to what? What is sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse, right? Therefore 90 upon AP. Therefore AP is what then? 90 upon sine APB, but APB is given as 30. So 90 upon sine 30. What is sine 30? 1 by 2, right? So 90 upon 1 by 2, that is, it will go above 90 into 2, that is 180. Okay, now AP is 180. Now DQA, this one, right? DQA. Then again same logic, 60 upon AQ. Therefore AQ equals to 60 upon sine 30, that is again 120. So AQ equals to 120. Therefore AP plus AQ equals to 180 plus 120, that is 300. These problems you should be able to solve only on fingers, not even by writing, because so easy these problems are. Then only you will be able to save time in exam. Okay. Next, there is a small island in the middle of 50-meter wide river. A tall tree stands on the island. P and Q are points directly opposite to each other on the two banks and in line with the tree, means these are in the same line. Now this is a tree, this D is a island. Okay, if the angles of elevation at the top of the tree from P and Q, means